So what do you do when your car trailer takes a lot of hail damage and you have to take it to the shop to get all that hail damage repaired? Ours is going to take a couple weeks to fix, and during that time the trailer shop wanted everything out of the trailer. That could be a real nuisance, and it kind of is, even with our circumstances. But if you're lucky like us, the campground you're at throws in these massive sea containers and rents storage, and you can just haul your stuff on site over to a place for a low cost, and then I can still walk over when I need to find something that I would find in the trailer because it's right here on site. So yeah, we could have used off-site storage. It would have been a lot more work, a lot more effort, a lot less convenient, but we're blessed to have this on-site storage, and we're grateful for the owners here who keep expanding their services to provide for their guests. Here's a quick walk around video showing the sides of the trailer where the damage occurred. It doesn't show the top here, but you can see a lot of grass had splattered very high up on the sides. The hail was hitting the ground was wet, and a lot of splattered grass went several feet up on the side of the motorhome and the trailer. So it's important to take pictures of everything that broke. This is a license plate bulb cover and a ventilation cover on the side where the plastic was damaged. The rear door ramp had damage. It looked like a golf ball. The entire passenger side of the trailer was damaged all along the entire way, top to bottom, front to back, including the door. So getting good pictures of this will help when you submit your claim with probably any insurance provider these days. The roof had tons of damage and looked like a golf ball basically. One of the holes actually was deep enough. It had a gash that broke through the metal and was allowing water to ingress. Here's a picture of that up close. I was able to seal that. And then inside the trailer you want to look around and see signs of water and stuff. But here's everything kind of messy in our trailer that we're going to have to move out before we can take the trailer to be repaired. The back shelf up there is loaded up pretty good too. You can see the shelves. This is pretty much how we keep it, except for travel days. We button things up, but when we're somewhere for a month or longer, we just kind of use the space more freely and don't keep putting things away. Once it's in the storage area, this is what that looked like. Very convenient to have on site. And this is how the trailer should look when everything is fixed and repaired and better. The campground owner was texting me from on site. We were off site. This is a picture of the hail right after it happened. You can see the fog, and you can see lots of large white hail. Our Starlink dish took a beating, quit working immediately once the water ingressed the dish. Our skylight on the motorhome was the main damage that we cared about right off the bat. Water was coming in here, got it sealed. But end of the day, beautiful sunsets from here. It's not all hailstorms and bad news. We really enjoy this campground and being here, and just love the services they offer.